Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating both GTAV and Fivem so versions match server requirements. Mismatches cause connection failures. Once done, run Fivem as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus to rule out blocking. Now clear the Fivem cache folder to remove stale server data. That often resolves handshake issues. Do these first because they remove common permission and stale file problems and make later network checks faster and more reliable. Next, address the network and runtime layer since many failures arise there. You flush DNS to remove bad resolution entries, then make sure router and Windows Firewall allow port 30,120, both UDP and TCP, because Fivem servers use that. Also reinstall Visual C++ redistributables and fully update Windows. Missing runtimes break the launcher. Once these checks are complete, test a direct server IP to separate DNS issues from client-side errors. Finally, perform a clean reinstall of Fivem. Uninstall, delete leftover Fivem folders, then install fresh so corrupted files are gone. Make sure GTAV integrity is verified in Steam or Epic, and then relaunch Fivem so the client rebuilds connections. If you still get connection failed, inspect your host's file for any blocked domains and restore defaults. This tip often finds hidden blocks from older mods or security tools. If needed, restart your router after changes to refresh NAT.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.